300 million tires are scrapped in America every single year.
Intuition. And most of them become the ground beneath your feet.
Inside this factory, workers shred those tires down to raw rubber crumb with a measured pace. Strip out every steel fiber.
And press that material into a performance sole rated for road running.
Then a foam midsole and recycled fabric upper get bonded on. And what started as 60 pounds of scrap leaves this building as a finished pair of running shoes. The image of the tire graveyard is burned into your memory as a symbol of the massive problem that needs to be solved. Every single stage, the middle stage of the process, the old tire broken down into its raw components, ready for a second life. Nothing skipped. Skipped. This scene teaches you about the massive and necessary journey that waste must take across America to find its rebirth. A grand adventure beginning. This scene teaches you that controlled destruction is the first and most essential step in the creation of something new. Advanced science and extreme cold are used to make the rubber granules as brittle as glass before the final grinding process. The durable sole unit becomes a single inseparable piece through chemistry and pressure, a feeling of permanent fusion as two separate components become one. This scene teaches you how the shoe gains its three-dimensional shape and internal structure from flat fabric panels. The final delicate sounds of human touch in the manufacturing process. It's the care and attention to detail that goes into every single pair.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.